The iGarden K-Pro 150 is a compact indoor grow light system designed to support seedlings, herbs, leafy greens, and small fruiting plants at home. In this review, we'll cover the key features, who it's for, rating, and frequently asked questions, so you can see where it fits and where the trade-offs show up. Let's begin. Key features. To begin with, the iGarden K-Pro 150 is designed for compact indoor growing, so it fits more naturally into shelves, corners, and home setups where space is limited. Also, it is meant to support different plant stages, which makes it useful for everything from early seedlings to herbs, greens, and a few smaller fruiting plants. On the usability side, the controls are straightforward, so you spend less time adjusting and more time keeping your growing routine consistent. Finally, it gives you a stronger step up from basic plant lights, although that added performance comes with higher power use than very small entry-level options. Who it's for? If you are an apartment grower dealing with weak window light, this gives your herbs and greens a more reliable indoor light source without needing a large setup. For a beginner who is frustrated by inconsistent growth under basic clip-on lights, the simpler controls and stronger output make daily plant care easier and more predictable. Home gardeners running a small mixed grow of seedlings, lettuce, and a few compact fruiting plants will appreciate the focused coverage and better all-around support across growth stages. I would not recommend it if you are trying to light a full-size grow tent packed with tall tomato plants, because this model is better suited to smaller, more contained spaces. Rating. For lighting performance, the score is 4.5 out of 5. Strong output for compact home grows. For coverage for small spaces, the score is 4.6 out of 5. Best in shelves, corners, and small setups. For ease of use and controls, the score is 4.7 out of 5. Simple to operate for everyday growing. For build quality, the score is 4.4 out of 5. Feels dependable for regular indoor use. For energy efficiency, the score is 4.0 out of 5. Good results, but power draw is a trade-off. The final score is 4.4 out of 5. In its range, the value for money is very strong and clearly competitive. Frequently asked questions. Can the iGarden K-Pro 150 support different plant stages? Yes, it can handle seedlings, herbs, leafy greens, and smaller fruiting plants, as long as you keep the grow area within its intended range. Is the iGarden K-Pro 150 easy for beginners to set up and use? Yes. The controls are simple enough that most beginners can start using it without a steep learning curve. Is the iGarden K-Pro 150 enough for a large indoor grow area? No. It is better for compact shelves, corners, or small grow zones than for wide tents or densely packed mature plants. Final thoughts. Overall, the iGarden K-Pro 150 earns a solid 4.4 out of 5 for delivering reliable grow lighting in a compact, easy-to-place setup. Its biggest advantage is how well it works in small indoor spaces, especially if you want a cleaner solution for herbs, greens, and early plant growth at home. The main thing to keep in mind is that it is not the right choice if you need wide coverage for a large grow tent. For apartment herb growers and anyone building a small indoor garden, it makes a lot of practical sense. If you want to check the current price, the purchase link is in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews. See you in the next one. See you next time.